Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this. It's a super secret spy cam battery pack looking thing. And so this is what it looks like here. And then it comes with these little stickers that'll go over it to hide the different ports and things like that. So when you're not transferring data, you can do that. But let's see if we can kind of hook this thing up and see how it works. I think it's just going to connect up with the SD card. And I don't have an SD card handy, but let's see. Yeah, I'm going to need to put an SD card in here, but I'll explain it to you anyway. So the way it kind of works is you'll see that little middle section there is going to be a camera. So when it's on, it'll work as a power bank. And there we go, we have power. And then it'll just do that. And then these are little night vision things. So you can put it up somewhere like that, whatever. If you want it to just be a battery somewhere, if you're trying to catch a nanny or something like that, just put it down on a counter somewhere and have it facing out. And there you go, you'll catch whoever it is doing whatever if you need to. So super secret little spy cam, kind of cute and good. And it also is a battery bank. So very cool. So thumbs up on this one here. It's multifunctional power bank. That's what it looks like there. So I like it.